This wig costed 50. I don't know if I should I bring it forward a little. I took Hi guys, hello, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. You guys, today's video is all about a review. Yes, I will be doing a review for the first time, like a wig review. I bought 3 wigs. One cost 50 cents, and in total I spent €1.50 for 3 wigs. You guys, it is unbelievable. Germans will say unglaublich. Yeah, unglaublich, like totally unbelievable. So you guys, if you are in Germany, you're already familiar with Woolworth. So I got those wigs from Woolworth. When I saw them, I was like, really? 50 cents? Why not? So I quickly grabbed the 3 of them. When I got home, I unboxed them and realized that it's not something that you can really wear to a normal event. I want to tell you, after watching this video and you think or you believe that you like my content, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. If you are not following me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram. Let us keep the family moving to the permanent side. So that being said, to the review now. This right here is the first one I got. This wig, as you can see, it costed 50 cents. Look at it, you guys. This is how it looks from inside and this is how it looks from outside. So I'm just going to take it with this one that I have on. What do you want to say? Shush, don't say anything. You guys, I'm not close to a mirror, so I'm just trying to use my medulla oblongata. Let me move it forward. I think I like it. For 50 cents, come on now, come on now, come on now. Anyways, you guys, I really like this wig. The afro, it's pure synthetic. But anyways, for 50 cents, I think if I don't tell you, you won't know. And if you don't touch it, you won't know it's like plastic hair. Just let me know what you think in the comment section below, what you think about this wig right here, and let me not waste much of your time. Let me just quickly go change and wear the other one. You guys, like, I don't even know what to say, but this is the second one. This is the second wig I got for 50 cents. I don't know what I was thinking when I picked this color, but then it was cheap, and now wearing it I feel kind of strange. Like, I don't know what to say, but you guys, what do you guys think? I think it's not that bad, if not for the color, but the wig itself, the shape, I think it's nice, but then the color is just for me a little bit like, you guys. But what do you guys think? I see people wear such these days. I don't think there will be anything wrong if I also rock it. I think it's not that bad for 50 cents. Come on now, come on now. So you guys, let me know in the comment section below where you think one can rock this type of wig to, like, aside taking pictures and posting them on Facebook and Instagram. I will be waiting for your suggestions, for your tips and ideas. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you guys the third one. This is the third one. What do you guys think? This one, what do you think? What do you think? When I am going out with the girls, like when we are going for some boogie boogie, yo boogie boogie, like I'm going to rock this one. Like, you know, I don't know, but like, I like this one compared to the second one. I really am feeling this wig right here. Like, you guys, take a look. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And that being said, if you would like to see more wigs review on my channel, feel free to let me know. Make sure you tell me which one of the wigs is your favorite. Don't just leave a comment and go. Let me know which one is your favorite and tell me which one looks good on me, because I think I like this one, and I like the first afro one, like the big one. I like the afro one, but the second one, it's a little bit not my style. This is also not my style, but like, people have to come out of their element sometimes. Sabi now. So that being said, please like this video if you like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. That being said, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.